Alyss Robotics Summer Camp. Experience the thrill of robotics by creating your own color sorter. Mind map of color sorter. Week 1. Introduction to robotics and its applications. Introduction to programming. Week 2. Motors and gears. Color sensor. Week 3. Touch sensor. Hardware building of color sorter. Week 4. Competitive robotics and final assessment. Each topic will have a concept video, practical sessions, theory and MCQs. As a project-based course, only sensors which are required to make color sorter are taught in this course. Our robotics kit comprises of various other sensors as well, like gyro sensor, pixie sensor and ultrasonic sensor, by using which the student can create and program other models like Gyro Boy, Snap, Stair Climber and Tank Bot. All this can be learned by enrolling in the Robotics Beginner course.